Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a Soundpad to play sound effects in game. So let's get started. Go to Windows search and type change system sounds. Now this little window should pop up as you can see and go to recording. And as you can see right now as I'm talking, you'll see green tabs that moving like this. So that means those microphones are active. So I'm using SteelSeries Sonar microphone. So what you'll need to do is just right click it and make sure to set as default device as communication device, because there are two types, as you can see, set as default device and set as default communication device. So set for the microphone that you're using both of these. And now let's go to the Soundpad. In the Soundpad, just click on File and then go to Preferences. Right here, what you'll need to do is go to Device tab, and for the playback device, you can choose your headset. And for the recording devices, this is the most important step. What you'll need to do is select your microphone that you used in that little window that you set default communication and default device. So select the microphone. So in my case, it will be SteelSeries Sonar microphone, and select like that, click apply and then OK. And now you'll be able to play the sound through your microphone. So basically import your custom sound if you want to, like that. Just click add sound file, add a sound file into your list. And then what you'll need to do is just click on this little button, play selected file on microphone only, or you can do just go to preferences and basically change the hotkey so it will be easier in the game to click that. So let's find our microphone. As you can see, set play mode to microphone. So just click set hotkey, then select a custom key that you want to do that, and basically that's how you'll be able to do that. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.